This nigga's desperate for distractions. I'm not going for it.
How do you feel about Donald Trump, I know you like to call him Donald, posting a picture of Obama's depicted as apes?
I feel like it's just a distraction. I feel like it's obvious, blatantly a ploy. It's a trap. It's a, hey, please talk about this. I don't care how bad you think this is. It's nowhere near them files. Don't talk about that, please. Talk about me depicting that black guy as apes. No, that. Don't use this as anything. Files, 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 files. We cannot take the bait. We have this motherfucker like this up against the wall and his feet is fucking dangling. We're not releasing until those feet stop kicking. I hope you get that analogy.